Hi all, thanks for tuning in. I was looking online earlier for a video testing these sort of glasses and I couldn't find any, so I decided to have a go at one myself. They're a pair of inexpensive Airsoft goggles. I think I paid about £4 for them. They say ESS crossbow on them. They are kite marked CE 5.3, 1 ESS, 1 FT, KN. You can probably see that just in the corner there. Anyway, as I said, I had a look at online and I couldn't see any videos of these being tested, so I'm going to test these myself. I did wear these to an Airsoft game on the weekend, but I didn't wear the clear ones or the yellow ones. So I'm going to test the clear one using a Thunder Maul assault rifle. This was chronoed on Saturday to 245 FPS. So let's have a go and see how well they do. As you can see, despite only costing £4, they took a couple of direct hits there. Slight marking on this lens, but goes away with my thumb. So overall, glad I bought these. Thanks for tuning in.